This video is going to show you the Permalinks settings panel in your settings section. Let's go ahead and click on Permalinks. And in the hopes of keeping this video as simple and as short as possible, because permalinks can be rather confusing, just know that permalinks determine how the URL of that post or page is going to show up in the browser's address bar. And by default, in most cases, WordPress is going to have it set to where the URL of that post or page is going to look just like this, where it's going to have your domain name, then a question mark, and then a letter equals, and then a number. That number is going to represent the page number or post number, and that's neither user-friendly for humans or user-friendly for search engines. What's better is if more of a description of that post or page within that URL. Like, for example, any of these other ones, day and name, where the URL will show the date of that post and the name of that post. That is both friendly to humans and search engines. Search engines can more easily rank this because they have a better idea as to what this post is about because of the name. The most popular of these is the post name, where it simply gives the domain name / the name of the post. Let me give you an example of a custom structure here, and you can find out more about these different tags by coming up here and clicking on the link titled Number of Tags Are Available. I'm going to open that in a new tab. And this is dealing with the permalinks here in the codex of WordPress.org. If we come on down here a little bit, you can see that you have a list of them and an explanation of each of those different tags that you can use in your custom structure. Just make sure that you include the percentage sign both in front of and behind that particular tag, just like I've done here. And I went ahead and rescued that sample post from our trash bin just to show you what its URL looks like based on that custom structure. index.php, index.php / year / month number, day, and post name. Year, month number, day, and post name. And this is much more user-friendly. I can get a better idea as to what this is about than if this were to simply have the domain name / question mark, couple of numbers, and a couple of letters. And again, the most common one of these is simply the post name. You just select that radio button to the left of post name, come on down here and click on Save Changes. Now, the optional section here deals with the archive pages and how you can kind of customize URLs for those pages. By default, the URL would have the words category or tag in them, but you can change those by entering your replacement word here in the category base box or the tag base box. For example, if I were to enter the word subject here in the category base box, the word subject would replace the word category in that URL to the archive pages dealing with the categories. Likewise, if I were to enter the word group in the tag base box, the word group would replace the word tag in that URL dealing with the tag related archive pages. And of course, as it says here, if you leave these boxes blank, then the word category and the word tag would be in those URLs. And just another way in which you can make the URLs to certain pages of your site even more user-friendly to both search engines and to humans. And of course, as always, be sure to click on Save Changes if you want any changes you've made here to stick. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on the Permalinks panel within your settings section. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.